What do all these dishes have in common? Garlic. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to process one. And here, I'm showing you how to hold a knife. Ideally, you want to find that first joint of your finger, so then the back blade can sit on that. And with your first finger and thumb, you're going to kind of find a balance point. It should feel comfortable. Now, take a look at the root end of the garlic. This is where we're going to make our first slice. This will also enable us to peel the garlic. So before we do that, let's talk about the claw grip. You want to keep your fingers away from it, keep your thumb under those fingers. Make the first slice. And once that's done, you can see I don't really cut all the way through here because it's easier, and we make the pound. Then with the tip of the knife, you can simply take the garlic clove out of the skin, and you can begin your slicing. Once the slice is done, we will turn it around and finish the dice. Here you're also going to see a rocking technique. So you can come at that from multiple angles, and as much as you want, you can do it to get as fine as you want. That's about it. Thank you for watching.